when animal behaviour expert Mark Vetty trained 3 rescue dogs to drive a car.
Good boy.
Many believe that as a feat of dog training, this stunning achievement could never be surpassed. But now, with Mark back in the driving seat, we're taking dog ability even further into the realms of the seemingly impossible.
We're attempting something that's never been done before, teaching a dog how to fly a plane.
Expert trainers Charlotte and Matt will be joined by the top dog himself, Mark Vetty, the man who started it all.
I've done a record number of world firsts with animals.
World firsts like an octopus taking a photograph, 200 deer stampeding through Auckland, and dogs acting as ball boys for Venus Williams.
This one, however, we've got to be crazy. What are we doing?
Together, they will work to bring our trainee pilots to pristine, airworthy condition. So, Mark and his technicians have had to come up with a high-tech solution to tell the dogs which way to steer. Meet Flight Simulator Mark II.
Good boy.
Blue, turn left. Red, turn right. And white, fly straight ahead. Reggie, Shadow and Alfie are now reaching the culmination of 4 months of training, first at the doghouse and now at flight school.
Good boy. You're flying, bro.
This is as close to flying a plane as we'll get without leaving the ground. Reggie, being the most stable, will be leading the way as our trailblazing test pilot. First taxiing on the ground, then bit by bit trying out their skills in the air. But which dog will fly the figure of 8? It's Shadow, stepping up to the challenge in a bid to make history.
Then we're going to put Shadow in. He's the quintessential rescue dog. He's the underdog. And it really kind of embodies and shows what rescue dogs are about. We're trying to show that rescue dogs are smart dogs. They can do this. So we're putting him and Charlotte in the plane and we're going to see if they can do it. I believe they can.
Shadow is now in control.
Shadow is now in control, thank you.
Shadow is officially flying a plane, and it's astonishing.
Oh, my fingers are shaking. Watch, good boy. Good, watch.
To truly earn his wings, however, he must now complete a figure of 8 manoeuvre.
Should be a left-hand turn first, turn 1.
Yes. Good.
That's
There he goes.
insane.
That's history right there.
Incredible.
Can you roll the wings level there? Wings level.
Wings coming level.
Staying focused will be everything.
Good.
Spanking round.
My goodness.
Good boy. Watch. Watch. Minute. Watch.
That is not easy to do, to get that.
No, he's on it. He's doing it.
Okay, then we can start level off about now. Wings level.
Okay, this is the big one, the final left 180.
Come on,
Shadow, you're nearly there.
Come on, Shad. Come on, it's the biggie. Watch. Good. Come on, Shad. Good boy. Watch. Good boy. Come on, Shad. Good. Watch.
That's it.
Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Watch.
And then...
Watch.
Okay, come wings level about there. Figure of 8 complete. Well done, Shadow.
Yeah, that's it, figure of 8, that's it!
But it wasn't just Shadow who proved how capable rescue dogs can be. Mark and the team achieved the extraordinary and managed to get all 3 dogs to graduate with wings. Reggie
has control.
who led from the front throughout training, well, he owns the controls. And in a figure of 8, uses his strength to pull impressive banking turns worthy of any Hollywood stunt pilot.
Good. That's it. Good boy. Hold it level. That's good work.
On a calm day with no scary turbulence to worry his sensitive nature, Alfie, with Matt right behind him, is capable of some impressive precision flying.
Good boy.
But the day belongs not just to Shadow, Reggie and Alfie. It belongs to rescue dogs everywhere. They are worth so much more than a passing glance. Given a home and lots of love, they'll reward you more than you could ever imagine. Not bad at all for 3 dogs that nobody wanted.